We all know what happened in Pahalgam on April 22. A peaceful tourist destination turned into a site of horror after a brutal terror attack took 26 lives and left many injured. It shook the entire nation. As India mourned, Bollywood stood united. Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, and several others expressed grief and condemned the violence. But now, attention is turning to how Pakistan's entertainment industry is reacting. Yes, Pakistani actors have started breaking their silence and their responses are catching major attention. Hania Amir, one of Pakistan's most popular young stars, took to her Instagram to share heartfelt condolences. She wrote, "Tragedy anywhere is a tragedy for all of us. My heart is with the innocent lives affected by the recent event. In pain, in grief, and in hope, we are one. When innocent lives are lost, the pain is not theirs alone. It belongs to all of us. No matter where we come from, grief speaks the same language. May we choose humanity always." Her words felt raw and real. Fawad Khan, who still has a strong fan base in India, also shared a note. He called the attack disturbing and offered prayers for the victim's family. In his statement, he said, "Deeply saddened to hear the news of the heinous attack in Pahalgam. Our thought and prayers are with the victims of this horrifying incident, and we pray for strength and healing for their families in this difficult time." But here's the irony. While Fawad talks peace, his film Abir Gulal, which he stars in alongside Vani Kapoor, is facing huge backlash in India. Political parties like MNS have already said they won't let the film release here because of his Pakistani identity. So while the actress talks about unity, ground realities are far from it. And then there is Mahira Khan, known for her strong opinions on social issues. She has chosen complete silence on this tragedy. Not a single post, not a story, nothing. That silence is loud and many are questioning it. When she can speak up on women's issues and social causes, why not this? Meanwhile, other Pakistani celebrities have spoken. Mawra Hussain, known for her role in Sanam Teri Kasam, shared her grief, stating, "My deepest condolences to the affected families. An act of terrorism against one is terrorism against all. What's happening to the world?" Sajal Ali, who once acted in Bollywood, wrote, "This is not humanity. No cause justifies killing the innocent." Humayun Saeed also shared a black image with the words, "Peace must win, violence must lose." Simple but strong. It's moments like this that test where artists stand. Art has always bridged gaps between India and Pakistan. But terror attacks like Pahalgam remind us how fragile that bridge really is. Still, when actors from across the border speak up, it gives hope that humanity can rise above politics. But the big question remains, should public figures always be expected to speak up in times like this? And when someone like Mahira Khan chooses silence, does that silence speak louder than the words of others? What do you think about it? Let us know in the comment section. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.